Hello guys, so now the vibe coding game has become extremely easier. I just made this game with vibe coding with a tool called Serenities AI. And before diving into making other games, I would like to show you why I chose to go with Serenities AI over other tools like Lovable or Bold. Let's first look at the main reason the Serenities AI stands out at. So, unlike other tools, it has built-in MCP protocol support. So it means that you can simply use any of your subscription and then start to vibe code. So we're not limited by the amount of credit all this platform provides you. Okay, so look at this. These all these platform they have limited credit, AI credit, but with Serenities AI, look at this. They are ridiculously expensive. So if you go with Serenities with this MCP support, you can simply come here, connect your account, and start to code. And like all those other platforms, you can also directly code from this chat. They also provide some credit and a way to add some balance as well. So another next important thing is with Serenities AI, you get flow builder. Okay, like Anadan or make.com. You can simply create a flow here. You can add different tools. You can use HTTP node. You can add flow here. You also have integrated database here. Okay, and you have integrated file manager here. So it makes making automation extremely easier. And why this is a game changer is because before, if you want to make some automation, then you have to like use Airtable or Google Sheet or Postgres or other database as a base, and you'll have to use different file system like Drive or Dropbox for managing file. And if you wanted to create front end, then you would go with tools like Bolt or Lovable or base44. That would just stack up the pricing, and it becomes extremely expensive. So if you look at the pricing, look at this. There's a stack up, and it'll be extremely expensive for you to manage them. With Serenities, everything is built right into the one platform, so you can easily do it. And today in this video, we'll also create live Tetris game. So stick with the video. And in future, if you want to do some coding, live coding of other stuff, then we can also do that. So just comment whatever you want to do on the comment. And I'm also a certified Upwork freelancer. So I have been working with lots of clients in automation space, and I know how difficult it gets to like manage all this platform together. That's why Serenities, you're all-in-one platform with support for MCP protocol, with ability to bring your own AI, makes it extremely cheaper to run the whole vibe coding as well as the automation. Okay, guys. So let's first try to connect new account. I'll show you. I've already connected, but I'll just show you. So this is the MCP URL that you are going to use on the Cloud or your OpenAI account or any other tool that supports MCP protocol. Simply go to connectors on Cloud, and if you want to like want information on connecting other platforms, just comment on this video. So I will in next video, in the future videos, I will show you how to connect all those AI tools as well, like Cloud Code, Cursor, and stuff like that. Okay. So manage connection here. Simply go to add custom connection. Just YouTube demo and add MCP URL. So since I've already added two MCP URL, so Cloud only allows you to add a similar URL once. So what we can do is, let me just show you what will happen first. Look at this, a server with URL, this URL already exists. So what I will do is I will simply add Prashant here. So Serenities allows that, and then I'll add it. Okay, and after adding it, I'll just click on connect, and it should open a new window. I'll just authorize my Serenities account. Okay, so now I'm authorized. Let's now go to chat, create a new chat, and let's disable this too, just to make sure that we are only using this one. Now let's type something. Okay, here at the moment, I hope that Nintendo won't sue me for this music and similar feel like here. Look at this. Okay? Look at this. Let me kill this animal. Yep. Okay, so now let me show you how chat works. Let's change this to superhero bro to super Nishan bros. Okay, let's change it. Let's send it. We can also select different model. Yeah. Let's see how GLM performs. Yep, super Nishan bros. Let's change that. Now let's do the same change with Claude. Okay, so let's do this and let's see what will happen. Okay. So let me just allow it always, because this is a demo project, but you have to be careful while allowing access to AI. Superhero Pros at the project level. Let me check it. Yeah, it's working. Let me allow it once again, because when I started it with this name, so it found it. Let's check it, what it's trying to do. Let's allow it again. Look at this, it has changed it. And the power is that you don't have to pay all the subscription fee for AI, because AI subscription provided by Claude, OpenAI, Grok, etc. are already extremely cheap compared to API. So this is extremely powerful. Now let's try to create a simple Tetris game. Okay, let's see now. Let's see how it performs. So now the Claude is doing its usual job. It's like queuing all the tools and checking all the tools that the MCP protocol supports. Now let's see what it does. List pages using different tools. So has it created a project? Let's see if it has. Yep, it has already created a project. Let's go here. And so this is a default page. So since we are using this your AI here, that is our subscription, we can just minimize this. And in future, if we need to open it, we can always do that. Okay, let's see what it is cooking. So it is writing code. Let's see how it goes. So while it is writing code, I'll just explain some other features about Serenities AI. So once we log in, we can simply click here, and then it will go to this page and all these websites we have. So I have already created my skills title page and this superheroes game page. Let's go here, and anyone can access it from the web. Okay, and start playing. And the name hasn't changed yet because I haven't yet published changes. Let me just click publish, and once it's published, let's go back and refresh the page. Look at it, it has changed. Okay, so that's the power. Now let's go to Claude and see. Let's do always allow, and let's see space. Look at this, it created the game. Start game. Look at this, when I press up arrow, it changes its orientation, and when I click down, it just places it here. Let's do play the full game. Let's try to just make sure that it removes the bottom line once it has completely. Let's change the orientation. Let's see. Yep, it's working. So we can modify it as per our need, like this next. We can change the scoring. Doesn't make sense at the moment. We can change lines, yeah, level. So it's extremely powerful, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. So in next video, we will do different thing. So if you want me to do some specific stuff, you can just comment, leave a comment, okay? And then we can walk together. Thank you, guys.